Alright traders, I'm back again with another video, and today I want to take time and just discuss a quick trade, US dollar yen, looking at this on a 4-hour time frame. And you can see right now price is inside the cloud, so that's a very good thing. When we're inside the cloud, we have the market cornered and the market has to go one way or the other. So we're looking for the market to go down, and we got a TK crossover here. This is a bearish TK crossover, and we starting to get our Kumo twist here. So if we get that twist, we get this crossover, by the time price drops out of the cloud, we'll have all bearish signals. Okay, so price will be below the cloud. You have your Chiku span will be below the cloud. You have your TK crossover here. That's going to be, everything's going to be bearish here. So this will be a nice opportunity for a good trade here. Now this is a small support and resistance level, and we want to look at this on a daily real quick, and I'll show you here. Right now we have a very thick cloud. This means that we have a lot of volatility, so there's no real movement going on in the market, no higher, making higher highs or real lower lows. We're in between all that level right now, and that's where you get this volatility with the cloud. Now we're a little bit of distance from Kijinsen, not too bad, 126. So if we're looking for a pullback here, the thing that's making me think that this is going to pull back at least to this level is because we have slight divergence here, and it's going to be where you see this Kijinsen pointing upwards and price coming down. Well, if price is coming down and we're not making any higher highs, Kijinsen shouldn't be going up. It should be flat. Okay, it shouldn't be moving upwards while price is coming down and you haven't made any higher highs in the past two periods. Well, actually you made one here, so Kijinsen was still moving. As you could see, yeah, it's still moving here. But now it's Kijinsen sort of flattened out, and Kijinsen's still trying to point upwards. So we don't have it flattened out and price is coming downwards. It's slight divergence here, so maybe we're going to get price coming all the way back down. You have your Kijinsen and your Tenkan-sen are very far apart from each other. You'll never see them really far apart on the chart like that. When they're really far apart, they start to try to come back together. Same thing as price. Kijinsen and Tenkan-sen get back together, so just like price, so they're going to pull back together with each other. So what I'm looking here is we break this level and we close below, will take us on the 4-hour daily time frame, and when we do that, that'll take us through the cloud. When we get through the cloud, the market's starting to move downwards. We'll have some more strength, downward momentum. So we get down below this cloud, that's going to be a Kumo breakout. That's all we're going to be looking for. So just wanted to really quickly touch on that, show you guys this trade opportunity that's developing. We never really know what's going to happen with the market, so this can't be guaranteed trade, but I like to show you an opportunity that's arising. I myself have been in 2 trades, and I'm going to show you both of those trades real quick. One of them is the CAD yen here. So I just got in this trade after the breakout of this box and it closed below the fractal level here, so I took this trade. And I like this trade because on the daily we've been in this range for a while, so price wanted to get outside of this range. Once price breaks outside of the range, a lot of times you have good movement. Now it broke out here, then it went back up into the cloud, I mean back up into this box, back up in the range here, and then it came back out. Now hopefully it stays out of here and continues downwards. You have a TK crossover that's bearish. You got your clouds all bearish. Everything's bearish here. You're below price. Chiku span's below price. So everything is bearish. There's nothing in our way at all. This could be a very nice trade. If you look at this on the daily time frame, you'll see we're below Kijinsen. You look like you have a bearish crossover. If this crosses over, we may have a long run on this pair for a while. So you have a TK crossover here that just is looks like it's trying to develop. So if you get that TK crossover, you're below Kijinsen. So on the daily time frame, your medium term momentum is bearish, your medium term bias is bearish. You got the cloud is crossing over, rolling over. It looks like you got a lot of volatility here. So just like the other pair I showed you, price was coming down while Kijinsen was still moving upwards. That slight divergence, and look what happened. This should be flattened out. It shouldn't be moving up. Okay, so we'll let this trade run, see if that one works out. And then this one is really working out for me. I'm in the euro yen, 104 pips here. Took this off of the trade of the breakout of this fractal level, and then once we broke the fractal level, I'm just following the trade with the Kijinsen. So I moved my stop loss down with the Kijinsen, and that's how I make my profit. Wherever Keynesian allows my profit, that's where I'll get. But I do take profit when I reach certain levels. So I take some profit off the table and then let something run. So Euro Yen, that's a late trade. You guys can't catch that. Sorry about that. But I did send that out to a bunch of people, and a few people took the trade because they caught it in time. And I also sent out another trade to everyone. I sent out this pound yen trade yesterday. We had the Kumo breakout, and then price moved a little bit back inside this candle here. So once price moved up a little, I figured this still Kumo breakout was still valid, because this is the entry order really that you would have got in. So you were able to take it up here for a little bit closer stop loss if you're going to be trailing the Kijinsen. And you can see how this worked out. So the daily time frame, that's what we were looking at coming back to the daily Kijinsen, and we are there now, and we still have a big candle here. So this hasn't shown that this is done yet, and this may fall farther. This rolled over. We have to see what happens with this candle here. We need to see some more evidence what's going to happen at this level. So this trade may continue downwards. So if you already have profit, lock some of that profit in, and you should have profit. And if not, then you missed the trade. So I'll be sending more trades out, so hopefully you could catch some of these trades. But that's going to be it for now. Just wanted to quickly touch on that and show you guys that, and hope you're enjoying this. All right, traders, have a great day, a great weekend, and God bless. So long.